Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful and modern 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home for sale. It is centrally located across from the gas station in Sandy Ground, just outside of Black River. The property sits on just over a quarter acre with lots of space for gardening. The house gives an open feel with quality finishes. It also features an enclosed double carport and lots of covered patio and balcony space. The central location provides easy access to all amenities. Call to view and make your offer today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 39 million or US $253.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.